Here are two different ways that you can burp your baby after they've been fed, whether via bottle or breastfed. So you've got your classic way where you have the diaper, the cloth over your shoulder. Oh, he already burped. And you're going to place your baby over your shoulder and make sure they're in an upright position and that their head is well supported, and you can either pat or rub them on the back. I personally don't use this method because if he were to spit up, I can't see exactly where it's going or how much it is or really what it looks like. So instead, what I opt to do is hold your baby up. You're going to want a lot of support with this one. Here, let me get you like this. And I'll take this cloth here, but what you're going to do with your hand is his chin is going to rest here in between your thumb and your index finger. So you don't want it on his neck, you want it on his chin so that you can hold him up. He's trying to fall asleep right now, but you're gonna, and it looks weird, but you're gonna hold him well, and then you're just gonna pat him on the back or rub his back. Now usually with this I'll also have the cloth, just in case he does spit up, it doesn't get all over my hands or all over my clothes. And you want to make sure it's not covering his face. Instead you're going to hold him like this. He's already asleep because he's in a milk coma. So you're going to hold him like that, and you're going to pat or either rub his back. Oh, there we go. That was a good burp. Until he burps. And remember, it can take anywhere between, as soon as he sits up, to about 5 minutes for a burp to come out. But you want to make sure you get all that gas out so that he's not fussy when you lay him down. And we're asleep now because we just got fed.